Yes, AI application out there today, and we'll be reviewing it. Pretty much can generate some crazy AI images using this application. So make sure to watch the full video. Stay tuned. Pretty much the home screen of the AI application here, and at the top you can see blueprints. These are those pretty much AI generated images which you can pretty much copy and get the same results. As you can see here, they have different categories as it relates to their AI images these are the default images within the applications. And over here, these are pretty much where you're gonna see your AI generated videos from the blueprint prompt. So let's say you want a similar image as this Halloween party here. As I can see, it's only giving me only taking 30 coins to pretty much generate an image like this. So all I'm going to do is press on get started and you're pretty much good to go, and it will generate very same image like this using three of your photos or one of your photos that you have uploaded to the application. So if you tap on get started, it will ask you to upload a few images. So once you have uploaded this image, you just tap on generate and you're pretty much good to go. So if I tap on the settings icon here, in private mode, say won't be shown publicly. So just tap on dismiss here to leave to pretty much exit this option here. So if I go on the home section here, you can see the normal image generation feature here. You can just generate image using this model, which is ChatGPT image 1. So that's pretty much it for that there. Down here you have a different AI generating model which you can use to generate an image which will look crazy clean. So down here you have different AI generated image. These are AI generated image from the community or with the application. People have generated image with this application, and also some default AI generated images within applications. They come with the application. So you just see some random ones. You can see quite a lot of them. So let's say this one here with this photo. You can pretty much copy this here, and also you can pretty much change the image or add or change something within that image as well. So you can also copy the prompt that they have used and pretty much see all the settings that they have used to create this image. And not only that, you can always download the image. So let's say you want to remove something out of this image here. Do keep in mind it will take coins. So you gotta check how much coins that you got. So we'll talk about the coins later on. So let's say you want to remove something out of this image. Do make sure it's on banana because it won't work. Well, it will work, but it's not going to look as good as all the image looks. But once you've done that, you're pretty much into what you want to remove. Let's say you want to remove the stick out of his hand, just type it in. Or if you want to add something, just type it in, and you're pretty much good to go. So you can also add an image as your reference as to what you want to add or remove. So that's pretty much it for that there. Yes. So for the generating option, if I tap on generate, this is just general image generation. So if I tap on where's the GPT image 1, not ChatGPT, sorry, image GPT 1. Here, if you tap on this option, you see all the different models that they have available. And you have banana, all of the top models that they have available, you can go ahead and use. Some of them you may need subscription to use them, so do keep that in mind. So as you can see here, all of the models available to you. Yeah, that's all I gotta do is just put on what you want and select it. Let's say it's one here. Just select that one. You're pretty much good to go. Dynamic. You can pretty much change the style as well. And as you can see, these are all the styles. Let's say you want graphic design 3D, you can go with that one there. And at the top, this is where pretty much go and check your coins, guys. So you can always tap on upgrade subscription to check your prices and pretty much what to be getting for each subscription. So on free subscription here, you can see pretty much what to be getting. Over here, you can see what to be getting for the 1 month subscription. And this one over here for the subscription here. So all of them are 1 month, but they're different things that you do get with the 1 month subscription. So you have the yearly subscription as well, and the same thing applies. There's different things that you'll be getting with each subscription. As you can see here, the prices increase as the stuffs that you're getting increase. So that's pretty much it for that there. And if, let's say, you have uninstalled application, you still have the email that you have used with Play Store, whatever the case is, you can always tap on restore subscription, and it will restore. If you have active subscription, it will give you back the subscription. So that's pretty much it for that there. And for generate, let's see, cat. And I'm going to generate a image of a cat real quick, and you can pretty much tap on this photo icon here to pretty much add as guidance or reference. You can give them something related to that image if you want to add it, but you don't have to. So as you can see here, it's for load, and here you see we'll say try this upon try, and once you have done that, it will pretty much start generating that image. As you can see here, in no time the image is generated, and this is the result that I've been getting. And once I've generated that image, you can always add or change something within that image. As you can see here, do make sure you use the same image generating tool, or should I say model, to get the same results. So that's pretty much it for this application. So that's it. And over here, the library section, pretty much we'll see all the images that you have generated within this application. And for the more section, nothing much than the subscription. So if you want to find the subscription page, you can just tap on more, and the subscription page will be right there. Then you can tap on upgrade subscription, and that's it. So do make sure you log in. If you're not logged in, some of the features won't be accessible to you unless you have logged in. So that's pretty much it for this video. And if I've missed anything at all, and if you have seen any message like this and you really want a subscription, do make sure you grab it. See you guys in the next one.